Frank Gashumba celebrates Fred Lumbuye's arrest, saying that he deserved to be arrested under the police custody, as he cried for Bivandimwe, Vice-Chancellor, who was released yesterday. Hello, welcome, and thanks for taking your time joining us live on Projan Media TV. The self-anointed leader for Bavandimwe community, Frank Gashumba, is in the spotlight over his double standards when it comes to matters of his pseudo-activism. Earlier last August, when Ugandan government critic and blogger Kajjubi, Fred Lumbuye, was arrested in Istanbul, Frank Gashumba was among the first people to openly celebrate the development. Gashumba even made live videos uploading the Ugandan government for cracking its whip on dissenting voices, especially bloggers of the National Unity Platform Party. In his words, he said Fred Lumbuye deserved it, and Gashumba did not bow to criticism and instead persisted with lambasting Lumbuye. However, when Dr. Lawrence Muganga, his fellow Muvandimwe, got arrested by the same security forces, Gashumba has been praising he hurriedly occupied media spaces to condemn the government for its brutality. Gashumba seems to be at comfort when it's Ugandans being targeted. He never came out to condemn Kigali when a Ugandan national was recently shot dead by the Rwandan armed forces. After widespread backlash from the enraged Buvandimwe Rwandans in Uganda community, the government of Uganda bowed to pressure and released the Victoria University Vice-Chancellor, Dr. Lawrence Muganga, who was in custody of Chief of Military Investigation for a night, and the CMI intelligence finally released Dr. Lawrence Muganga, the Victoria University Vice-Chancellor, and the accused was arrested earlier this week by security commandos who found him at his place of work. Charges of overstay and espionage were pressed on him by the Ugandan government. They claim Dr. Muganga is an informant of the Kigali administration, leaking exclusive security information to his senior president Paul Kagame. Following orders from above, Muganga has been set free but will be closely monitored by unseen security spies. They gave him a police bond, but he will remain under their surveillance, as the deputy army spokesperson told media this morning. Well, that is it for now. Thanks for watching Projan Media TV, and we'll keep on updating with more of this. Kindly do one thing: subscribe and turn on the notification button. All these updates will come to you in time. Once again, thanks for watching Projan Media TV.